Hi, welcome to Harisystems. In this session today we will learn state and life cycle in ReactJS. This session introduces the concept of state and life cycle in a React component. Our earlier session you may find out that the component rendering what we have seen this example. Hence I have taken the same example over here. The clock, what we have done it on that earlier session, it's one way only updating the UI component with the using of react DOM dot this method render to change the rendering of the output and representing the output at UI place. Now this session we will learn how to make the clock component truly reusable and encapsulated, and it will set up its own time updates itself on every second. We'll see how the clock will encapsulating looks like. The same function I will use it with the name of the tick. I'm replacing clock and with the use of props. Yeah, okay. And here I want to write that return hello world. It has now here I want to modify for it props dot date dot to local time string, and here I want to take as a function close. Okay, I want to remove this else also. Yeah, now function tick, creating function tick and start with the braces over here. And the brace is always over here. Now function tick react DOM dot render. That element we need to remove to write straight away clock date that equal to new date. Function straight away I'm calling here. Yes, document dot get element by id. Right, see the clock, this is how it will represents. Hello world, the same function, the reusability of the function what we have written for encapsulation of the clocks. This is the code, and here it misses a big crucial requirement. In fact of sets the clock setting timer and updates on UI every second. It should display on implementations. Earlier we have written it's a clock function. I want to be only to be taken a necessary action to write a function. Right. For that I will remove the rest of the things over there, and I will represent like in a clock only over there, and to be converting into the that function from the function to class. Also we will aware of this overcome of encapsulation. We'll see that on further next sessions in continuation. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and comment any of your views regarding this. Thank you.